To solve problems with percentages, we are going to use the proportion that you learned earlier in 6th grade. And that proportion is part over whole equals percent over 100. Let's look at how we take that percent and use it to solve real-world problems. This problem says the Jennings family is purchasing a new laptop. The regular price of the laptop is $685. The store they visit is offering a sale of 25% off the laptop and an additional 7% sales tax. What is the cost of the laptop? The first thing that you need to find is the sale price of the laptop. I know that the laptop originally cost $685, but I know that it is being reduced by a rate of 25% off. So I need to find what is the sale price of the laptop. I'm going to use my proportion part over whole equals percent over 100. In this case, the whole cost of the laptop is $685. So I'm going to put $685 in my denominator to represent the whole. I know that this side always has percent over 100, so I'm going to put 100 here. I also know that we are taking 25% off the price of the laptop. So I'm going to put 25 in the place where percent goes. What I don't know is what that 25% is. So I'm going to put in my variable x to represent this. Now I can use what I know about proportions to cross multiply and solve. So I'm going to multiply x times 100, which gives me 100x. And then I'm going to multiply 25 times 685, which gives me 17,125. Now to get x by itself, I need to divide by 100 on both sides of this equation. This will cancel to leave me with x equals $171.25. Now, $171.25 represents the 25% off of the laptop, but that does not tell me the sale price. This tells me how much is being taken away from the price of the laptop. So to figure out the sale price, I'm going to take the original price, which was $685, and subtract the 25%, which is $171.25. So when I subtract $685 minus $171.25, I get $513.75. So now I know that this is the sale price of the laptop. But I know that that's not all that the Jennings family has to pay, because according to the problem, when they check out, they have to pay a 7% sales tax. That 7% sales tax is taxed based on the sale price of the laptop. So I need to figure out the total cost, including tax. That means I need to know what the amount that they paid in tax was. I know that they're going to pay $513.75 for the laptop. That means that the whole cost of the laptop has now changed to $513.75. I still don't know the part, so I don't know what the 7% is going to be, but I know that my percent is 7%, and that's always over 100. Now I can use this to cross multiply. X times 100 gives me 100x, and then 7 times 513.75 gives me 3,596.25. Now I need to divide by 100 on both sides. These are going to cancel to leave me with x equals, and when I divide by 100 over here, I get 35.9625. Now, this represents the amount that the Jennings family is going to pay in sales tax. But when I look at this, this looks weird. I don't normally see money looking like this. Well, that's because money is always cut off at the hundredths place. You'll notice that in this problem, my money actually goes from tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths place. We need to round this to the nearest hundredths place. So to round to the nearest hundredths place, I need to look at the number that's in the thousandths place. In this case, that number is 2. Since that number is less than 5, I know that I can keep the number that's in the hundredths place the same. So when I round this, I'm going to say that X is approximately $35.96. Now, this represents the amount of tax that the family will pay. To find the total, I know that they are paying now a reduced price of $513.75 for the laptop, and they also have to pay an additional tax of $35.96. So to find the total that they will pay, we are going to add $513.75 plus $35.96. When we add these together, we get $549.71. So the Jennings family will pay a total of $549.71 for the laptop, including tax. Next, I see that Robin's family went to a restaurant for dinner. Their bill totaled $84. Robin's mom wants to leave a 15% tip for their server. How much will the server receive, and what is the total amount the family will spend on dinner? Well, the first thing we need to know is how much they're going to pay for the tip. I am once again going to use my proportion, which is part over whole equals percent over 100. In this case, I know that the total bill was $84, so that's going to represent my whole cost. Then I know that this side of my proportion is always percent over 100, so I can put a 100 right here. I know that Robin's mom wants to leave a 15% tip, so I can put 15 in my proportion for my tip. That means that what I'm looking for is the part. So what I don't know is how much of the $84 is represented by 15%. Now I can solve this by cross multiplying. X times 100 is going to give me 100x, and then 15 times 84 is going to give me 1,260. To find the value of x, I'm going to need to divide by 100 on both sides of my equation. These are going to cancel, and I'm left with x equals $12.60. This means that Robin's mom is planning on leaving a tip of $12.60 for the server. Now, the other part of the question asks, what is the total amount that the family will spend on dinner? I know that the family is spending $84 on dinner, and I know that they are also leaving a tip of $12.60. I know that a tip is something that is left in addition to the total. So to find the total amount that they are going to pay for the dinner, I'm going to add the cost of the meal, which is $84, plus the tip, which is $12.60. When I add these together, I get $96.60. So the total amount that Robin's mom will pay for the dinner is $96.60. Next, I see that a jewelry salesman must sell a necklace that is in his store. He prices the necklace at $845 the first day, but nobody buys it. The second day, he reduces the price by 15%. What is the price of the necklace after the reduction? Well, for this, I need to figure out how much he took off the cost of the necklace. So I need to figure out what 15% of $845 equals. So when I use my part over whole equals percent over 100, I know that my percent is 15%, and I know that the whole cost of the necklace was $845. What I don't know is the part that represents that 15%. So now I can cross multiply, and x times 100 is going to give me 100x. 15 times 845 will give me 12,675. I now need to divide by 100 on both sides of my equation. These will cancel to leave me with x. And 12,675 divided by 100 is $126.75. This tells me the reduction that the salesman took off the necklace. So the necklace is going to be reduced by a total of $126.75. But I need to know the price of the necklace after the reduction. If the necklace originally cost $845 and it is being reduced by $126.75, to find the total cost of the necklace, I am going to subtract the original cost, which was $845, minus the amount of the reduction, so minus $126.75. I get a difference of $718.25. That means that the new cost of the necklace after the reduction is $718.25.